Negotiation is a crucial part of both personal and professional life. Whether you're discussing a business deal, settling a dispute, or making a purchase, your ability to influence others can make all the difference. In this guide, you will learn the essential influencing skills to become a successful negotiator. 1. Build rapport and trust. Listen actively. Pay close attention to the other party's words and body language. Show genuine interest in what they have to say. Empathize. Try to understand their perspective, needs, and concerns. Empathy builds trust and shows that you care about their interests. 2. Prepare thoroughly. Know your facts. Be well informed about the subject matter of the negotiation. The more you know, the more credible you appear. Understand their needs. Research the other party's background and objectives. Tailor your approach to align with their goals. 3. Effective communication. Clarity. Express your ideas clearly and concisely. Avoid jargon and complex language that could confuse the other party. Body language. Use open and confident body language to convey your message. Maintain eye contact and a firm handshake. Tone of voice. Your tone should be respectful and assertive, not aggressive. A calm and composed demeanor can be influential. 4. Negotiation techniques. Anchoring. Start with a strong initial offer or proposal. It sets the tone for the negotiation and can influence the final outcome. Reciprocity. Give concessions strategically. When you make a concession, ask for something in return. Framing. Present your arguments in a positive light. Use persuasive language to frame the discussion in your favor. 5. Problem-solving mindset. Collaboration. Approach negotiations as a problem-solving opportunity, not a battle. Seek win-win solutions where both parties benefit. Flexibility. Be willing to adapt and explore alternative options. Rigidity can hinder influence. 6. Emotional intelligence. Manage emotions. Stay composed even when faced with difficult situations. Emotional control enhances your persuasive power. Empathetic responses. Address the other party's emotions effectively. Acknowledge their feelings and concerns. 7. Negotiating power. Leverage. Identify your sources of power, such as alternatives or expertise, and use them strategically. BATNA. Best alternative to a negotiated agreement. Always know your BATNA and be prepared to walk away if the negotiation isn't going in your favor. 8. Patience and timing. Timing. Choose the right moment to make your key points or proposals. Timing can significantly impact the outcome. Patience. Don't rush the negotiation. Take breaks if necessary to avoid making hasty decisions. 9. Negotiation ethics. Honesty. Maintain your integrity throughout the negotiation process. Trust is fragile and can be difficult to rebuild. Respect. Treat the other party with respect, even if you disagree. Building a positive reputation as a negotiator can influence future dealings. 10. Continuous learning. Feedback. Reflect on your negotiation experiences and seek feedback from others. Identify areas for improvement. Practice. Negotiate whenever possible to hone your influencing skills. The more you practice, the better you'll become. Conclusion. Mastering influencing skills in negotiation is a lifelong journey. By building trust, communicating effectively, and employing strategic techniques, you can become a highly influential negotiator who consistently achieves successful outcomes. Remember that negotiation is not just about winning. It's about creating mutually beneficial solutions and maintaining positive relationships.